think this is going to help everyone. It's not for me. All startup companies are there. All exporters are there. For those who want to start exports, this is going to be I would say, much more beneficial.
I really love the exhibition. It's amazing. I love how the coordinators coordinated everything. Everything went smoothly.
And it has been a great working experience with FIEO and in collaboration with Biden because of it. We have got a great exposure to the real buyer sellers meet.
And it is a great platform for buyers and also sellers. We are getting everything under one roof.
मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 8-9 मीटिंग्स की और उसमें ऑलमोस्ट मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि 3 से 4 बायर तो मेरे कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे बिकॉज एवरी बायर इज जेन्युइन